Hello, welcome back to Capcut Training Beginner's Guide. I'm Andy, and so we're going to carry on very quickly. Going to have a look at the thumbnail, which is a system, in my opinion, not intuitive. And it does work, but it's not intuitive. Let's have a look. So here is the thumbnail, and it puts the thumbnail. You can edit that. Put it on the beginning of the video, but the good news is that when you render, it gives you a separate thumbnail in a folder. Very clever. And of course it gives you the video as well. Now you can separate the render into video, audio and thumbnail. The thumbnail is automatic if you have one, and here it is. You can actually click on this to edit the thumbnail. Get the sort of a thumbnail designer based on layers. Yeah, based on layers. Here are the layers. So your background, your half thing on the screen, the actual video, and then the titles that you have. For me, it's not intuitive, I'm sorry to say. If I want to highlight this, I want to be able to click on it. Yeah, that's good. But if you click on the end and then try and do Shift and Home, it doesn't move. If you do Shift and arrow key, it will highlight. But Shift and Home, or even Home, where's the cursor gone? You know, it's still there. Look, Home, End. I've really. Shift and Home should highlight the whole lot. I shouldn't have to use the arrow keys. And whatever. That's just me. Maybe, I don't know. But when you've highlighted, you can change the colour, the alignment, line spacing. You can add in there things like shadow. The stroke is the outline around the outside there. You can choose the colour and adjust it, so the width of it, opacity, you can change all of that. Glow, yeah, not really, I don't think, not a great fan of that. Make it into a curve. Yeah. It's not actually doing anything, but spacing. So, and of course, then you can change the font. Let's see if I can find, what is it? My usual. Ah, there we are. So it does actually allow you to have your fonts on your computer. That's the font I would normally use. You can move it and do it that way, or you can do it this way. You know, there's many different ways of doing this. And you can add stuff on there via this over here. So you can add shapes, stickers, so shapes, arrows, stickers, put a heart on there, yeah, boom, there we are, there's a heart, put that on there. Oh, that's the circle. We've got the circle now. That took some time. Get rid of that. Make that bigger. Like that. Oh, heart. Drag that. Like that. Oh, look, there we go. You've got lots of different things that you can do. Add on there, stickers. If you're that way inclined. Frames. So you want to put a frame on there and, you know, whatever. Like a picture frame. Yep. Speech balloons. Collage. So you can have different elements on the screen. Different ways of doing that. and of course your saved stuff, if you've got any saved stuff on there. This was one of my like that basically. What else have I missed? Oh, text, all different text ways of doing it. What else? Various colour palettes that you can use, different fonts that you can use. These are all set up for you. So you basically just drag it along and it will change all the colours. So if you fancy the blue one, you know, just click on that and drag it over. Templates is a quick way. Some of these are quite limiting, but it gives you the outline of what you have here. It gives you the outline, so not the picture. It will use whatever's there, and of course, if I drag something over, you'll see. So let's drag that one. Let's use that one there. So basically, you've got the video, and it's put these items on your video. So that's how you would use a template. If you want to be able to start off like that, there are different categories. Let's travel one there. Can't find any. Vlog. Put that one on. So like that, it gives you three parts of the screen. There. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It gives you a heads up, gives you a start for your video, and then you can add on whatever you like onto that. Yeah, but the idea here is layers. So you see that's the second layer. The first layer, which is your background, there, you basically can hide it, but you need to bear in mind that when you do all of this, and if you're using a template, you need to start off with getting the background correct. And you can change your colour, whatever, make it purple, for example. And I'm going to put that in layer arrangement, so changing the, you can move that forward or back or whatever, depending on where you want your video still to be. You can lock it so you can't move it. You can set that as the background. So now that video still I had is now the background. So it won't move because you can't remove the background. You can't really, you can delete the image, but you can't delete the background. You can also remove it from the background. Yeah. So all in all, it is okay, and it is, once you get the hang of it, it's easy to use, and then you end up with a lovely thumbnail made very simply, which is brilliant. And of course, if you want to, you can upload the backgrounds from your video. If you have a particular picture that you like that one there, save. Just going to put it up here, so we'll put it down into the thing. We will put that in background. So now our background is the actual still from the video, and we can move all this stuff around adding that this is actually part of the video. So yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's not too bad. And if you want to upload something from your hard drive, obviously you may have something that you want to do, like a logo. I don't know. I've got some logo. That one there. Put that in here. There we are. So if you've got a logo, you know, want to put it in the corner. Yep. I've copied that twice. Oh, no. I've grouped it. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing actually. I'm just playing with it. It's like, oh my god, what we've done. Control Z, I think. Control Z. Let's go back. Control Z all the way back. There, like that. It might take a while to update. Right, I don't really want to save this, so I'm going to cancel and exit because I don't really want to change that. Yeah, so that is a quick introduction, making a thumbnail, and of course using the idea of a compound clip. It gives you more options, absolutely. And you can do a lot more with it. It's just very, very clever. Right, there we go. That's another sort of episode. I sort of get carried away there and off on a tangent. I hope you're enjoying it. And of course, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll come back again with another one very soon. See you soon. Bye for now.